Hey viewers, welcome to MS Excel Tips and Tricks. Today, I'm going to show you how Flash Fill works in Excel. It's a super handy feature, especially when you're working with large datasets. Let's get started. I have a dataset with employee first and last names, but I want to enter their full names in the records. Typing each full name manually would be time-consuming and could lead to mistakes. So, I'll show you how to use Flash Fill to do this quickly and accurately. To get started, place the cursor in the full name column where you want the combined name to appear. Next, type the full name for the first record. Once you've entered the name, press Ctrl+E. Excel will automatically fill in the full names for the rest of the column based on the pattern you provided. Now, let's choose another example to see how Flash Fill works in different scenarios. This will help you understand how to apply this tool to various types of data. I have a dataset with product codes, and I want to extract the middle digit from each code. Simply type the middle digit of the first code into the cell. Then, press Ctrl+E, and Excel will automatically fill in the middle digits for the rest of the column. Bingo! We did it! You can also achieve the same result using the ribbon bar. Just go to the Data tab and click on Flash Fill. Watch the magic happen as Excel automatically fills in the data for you. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.